Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily enable or disable automatic screen rotation on your iPhone. Friends, please put your likes for sure. Also write comments under this video and subscribe to our channel. And let us with you get started on this topic. And now I'm going to show you, for example, by opening a web browser, how auto screen rotation works. Let's say you open a web browser or YouTube Music, whatever, and when you turn your phone upside down, it automatically auto-rotates your screen like this. If you're annoyed or bothered by this feature, it's pretty easy to turn it on. To do this, you will need to swipe down from the top on the right side. This will take you to the Widgets menu. And here you will see a widget called Rotation Lock. Click on that. And now if you try to rotate the screen, and as you can see, it doesn't flip the screen. And in the same way, if you want the screen to flip when you rotate the phone, you have to swipe down on the right-hand side from the top to the bottom and turn it off by tapping on it. And then your screen will flip. Friends, this is the very simple way you will be able to auto-rotate your screen on iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.